Welcome back. In this series, we are going to learn about metals and non-metals. In this video, we'll learn about metals. A metal is an element that is malleable and ductile and conducts electricity. For example, iron and zinc. Let's learn about the properties of metals. Metals are generally solid at a room temperature except mercury, which is a liquid metal. Metals are sonorous. This means that metals make a ringing sound when we strike them. It is due to the property of sonorousness. Metals are lustrous and shiny and can be polished. For example, gold, silver and copper are the shiny metals and can also be polished. Metals are malleable. This means that metals can be beaten into thin sheets with a hammer. Gold and silver metals are some of the best malleable metals. Aluminium and copper metals are also highly malleable. All these metals can be beaten with a hammer to form very thin sheets called foils. For example, silver metal can be hammered into thin silver foils because of its high malleability. This property of metals is called malleability. Metals are ductile. This means that metals can be drawn or stretched into thin wires. All the metals are not equally ductile. Gold and silver are amongst the best ductile metals. Copper and aluminium metals are also very ductile and can be drawn into thin wires, which can be further used in electrical wiring. Ductility is another important characteristic property of metals. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Silver metal is the best conductor of heat. Copper and aluminium metals are also very good conductors of heat. The poorest conductor of heat is lead. Mercury is also a poor conductor of heat. Silver metal is also the best conductor of electricity. Copper metal is the next best conductor of electricity, followed by gold, aluminium and tungsten. These were some of the properties of metals. In the next video, we'll discuss non-metals.